away guys, I'm a law student at UNISA, and today I will be giving you all the sauce. I will be telling you guys how to get 10k followers on TikTok, man. No jokes, I'm not gonna be straight. And if you think I'm lying, but yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys how to get 10k followers on TikTok. Anyone can do it. If you think you can't do it, nah, you can do it. Anyone can do it. It doesn't matter who you are. You can have 0 followers also. You can do it. But a word of advice: if you start a new account, don't post immediately because you're gonna get a lot of views. When you follow and unfollow people, not unfollow, but follow and engage, and say a month after you created the account and you followed people on that account, followed a few people and what, then you post your first video, then you're gonna see how you get 400 or 500 views on your first day of posting. You're gonna see. Just post 6 videos.
Trying to make a beatbox for this money on TikTok. Speak about money, I need diamonds on my TikTok. I ain't speak a lot cause I let my stick up. All this money
But yeah, I used to post 6 times a day, guys. Like, no jokes. I used to post 6 times a day. You used to post 3 in the morning and 3 in the afternoon. Yeah, 3 in the afternoon. What 3 at night? I don't know. It depends actually. But sometimes I used to post 6 videos at night. But nah, it was crazy that time when I was starting 6 videos, bro. Like, it's a lot of work. But that time there was a lot of trends. There was that using the effects and that effect where it's split and whatever different hotel. So but yeah, the first one is post viral content. Try and look for viral content that might go viral. Okay, I know that sounds a little bit, but yeah, if you just look for viral content that you might think, nah, this is going viral on Nesbra's page, and you see another video, now this is going viral again, and like, what is this now really going viral? And if you find the viral video in your make a viral video and that video goes viral, take advantage of it, bro. Make a part 2. Like, that is gonna bring in the views and followers. Make a part 2, make it part 3, 4, 5. Take advantage of it until it dies out. That viral post that you made. Make a part 2 of it, react to that video, react to people. Same if you created original video and you have your own sound, react to people using your sound and what, yeah, react to people that the remaking your thing. That's why it's good to make original content, so you can, like, I don't know, but yeah. Remember,
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Virality happens randomly. You can post a video of you sleeping, then it will go viral. But you can work for hours on a video and the video won't go viral. But I know, I did it already. The video I thought wouldn't go viral, but a video that went viral in my account was the video where I asked three questions, 3 empty boxes of what? Yeah, you must add 2 to get 30. And it mustn't be even numbers, I think, or something like that. I can't remember really, but that video went viral, right? It got more than 700,000 views, yeah, 700,000 views. That was crazy. In my analytics shown there, I think my monthly views on my whole TikTok account got 1 million views. Like, it was crazy at that time. I don't know, I didn't take advantage of it. I was supposed to. I think that time I post less than I saw. This thing is shooting up. But yeah, guys, let's take advantage of it. And secondly, try to ask questions in your comments. Like if someone comment, nice, not nice video. Okay, let's say nice video. Then you say, like, what was nice. Ask like that type of things. Like, I asked him, right, that video that went viral, and they gave me the answer, and I asked, are you sure? And they came back to the video. Then they don't know, it played twice by them. You see, they came back, then they replied, then it played. That's how I got the views. You see, I did a little bit thinking then and ask, but then yeah, on every comment, but I think TikTok got into that. And TikTok said I couldn't commenting too much or something like that. That's why my reach is now so. Sometimes I get a lot of views, sometimes I get little views. That's crazy. That's the craziest, the most scariest part though. Imagine having a million, but imagine having a million views and you only have 1,000 followers. You got 1,000 followers from a million views. That's crazy, but then luckily that wasn't me, because I would have been angry at TikTok if I had to have so things like that. Thirdly, be a creator and not a consumer. Don't be on TikTok all day. Like, bruh, watching TikToks all day. Nah, don't be doing that. Get off.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. I'm saying.
They don't get off. Only go on TikTok to look for content to make to, like, yeah. Only go to TikTok to go look for viral content. The only reason you must be on TikTok. If you on TikTok for any other reason, don't go there, because TikTok, once you're in it, you can't get out of it. But yeah, so yeah, be a consumer, not a, be a creator, not a consumer. Try to create more content than you watch. I know that is impossible, but try at least to make more content. If you like watch like videos all day, you can must at least make one video or something like that. But yeah. Fourthly, don't be scared to post videos. Bruh, like, it is the most important. Like, people be wanting to get famous and whatnot, but they don't even post. They don't post at all, and they expect to get there's views, there's followers, and they want to be famous. Like, bruh, like, by one of my friends though, but I don't think she wanna be. I think she wanna be famous, but at the same time she don't want. That she be having a lot of drafts, bruh, a lot. And I tell you, a lot. It's bruh. She could have a long time of it. Thousands of followers. But TikTok, bruh, TikTok is a weird algorithm that I can tell you. Fourthly, being shy don't get you nowhere, bruh. Now how many times if I got 100 for every time I heard that, bruh, I would have been at 2 million. Like, come on, it, like, bruh. I will admit it, I'm shy, but I post 6 videos. Like, come on, like, there's no excuse actually. You shouldn't be making excuses. Oh, I'm shy. How am I supposed to make TikTok videos? Nah, bro, hey, stop talking, make a TikTok. And another one, go live often. Like, bro, I won't believe how much followers I got when I went live. Like, come on, like, it was insane how many followers. Like, every time I went live I got 10 followers. Now same, I go for our live I get 10 followers. Now imagine I go 3 times a day, 30 followers a day. Let's do some calculations. 30 followers a day, 210 followers a week, just for going live. Like, it's insane. That's insane. Like, that's not counting the followers you're gonna get by making your videos, and the people that's going, that new followers is gonna watch that video. That video's gonna get more views, and the more views is gonna make you get more followers. Like, come on, like, I'm like giving you all the sauce right now. I'm giving you all too much sauce. So, nah, bro. But yeah, and lastly, don't make your account private and make your videos private. Like, bruh, how do you expect people to get, right, man, adjustment, how do you expect people to get your videos if you make your account private? Now only the see, not famous, not even famous people should make their account private. Like, if you want to be famous, you should not make your account private. Take it off immediately or start a new account. Take it off private. Like what? Then there's no use you want followers. Because if you have a lot of followers and account is private, it's not private. And I understand you want to hide it from some people and what. But one day they're gonna see. But I guess if you don't wanna be famous, then you can put it on private and what. But it's something I don't understand though. If you want to be famous, don't be putting your thing on private, man. And girls, don't be putting your thing on private, man. But yeah, it was a long journey, bruh. It was hard. I think I'm on TikTok for 2 years now. It was a long journey. And it came this far, but I started a new TikTok account. But yeah, that TikTok account is getting lots of views. That's why I'm not posting on my account that has 10k followers. Because that 10k followers, I don't know what. I think my account is shadow banned or something. Because the people keep on liking 100 videos at the same time. Like guys, if you go to if you go to other people's accounts, don't be liking the videos 100 at the same time. Like nah, TikTok takes that as spam and they're gonna shadow ban that person. Shit. So don't be doing that, bruh. That's a no. That is invalid, bro. But I think you're aware. I'm gonna keep it short and sweet, you see. Short and sweet, like my coffee every morning. I drink, say my 5 spoons of tea, 5 spoons of sugar, yeah. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want more, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the water comment down below what video you want next. Any solution, the last numbers. Go check my vlogs out. Yeah, that's all I can say. See y'all next time on Lucian Vlogs. Zeg me verstaan. Hou je dat ding?